Welcome to our new airdrop video. Subscribe this channel and continue this video. Okay, then click start button and join all airdrop. Complete all task. Okay, join all channel and group. Okay, I am joining. Okay, join payment channel and click join airdrop. Okay, your complete first task and then follow this Twitter. I am already follower. Then I am submit my Twitter username. Okay, my Twitter username is Jibon Bhai. Okay, then I am already subscribed this YouTube channel. Then I am paste my YouTube account Gmail. Okay, then great. Then lastly, please submit your Matic wallet address. Okay, then I am go my Trust wallet. Okay, but please note recommended wallet address MetaMask or Trust wallet. Okay, then I am go my Trust wallet, submit my password. Okay, then click refresh and okay, then search Matic wallet address Matic. Okay, then click Matic Polygon. Okay, then click receive option, then click copy option. Okay, then click back button and then paste here, paste your Telegram Gmee Airdrop bot. Okay, then paste here. Okay, my airdrop is confirmed. Then click start. Okay, check my referral 0, my balance 0.5 Gmee, my position for 8. Okay, then I am check my referral, your personal referral link. I'm copy my referral link. Okay, then click withdrawal option, minimum 8 Gmee you can withdraw. You needed 8 refer. Okay, I am refer my another account. Okay, I am refer my another account. I am checking my position. Okay, I am join all airdrop, all task, all channel or group, then complete my task. Okay, I am already follow this Twitter page. Then I am submit my Twitter, another Twitter username. Okay, then paste here, then my submit another YouTube account. Okay, then check my refer. My refer is no count. Okay, check my refer is no count. My refer is no count. Okay, I am back this interface. Then paste wallet address. Go your Gmee Airdrop bot. Then paste wallet address. Okay, then check my refer is confirm. Okay, check my refer is confirm. Check my refer is confirm. Obvious, of course, you needed wallet address facing in this Gmee Airdrop bot. You can sure this airdrop is confirm your referral link. Okay, then I am refer this referral link, paste this Gmee Airdrop bot. I am complete this task, then join airdrop. Wait some times. needed some work. Okay, then of course you join my Telegram channel, Eagle Airdrop channel. Then every day you can easily check your airdrop. Every day you get many airdrop in my Telegram channel. Okay, then paste my wallet address, Matic wallet address. Okay, my airdrop is counted. Check my airdrop is counted, and go my main account. Check my account. Sorry. Okay, check my position is 6, my balance 2.5 Gmee. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.